It was the worst kitchen disaster we'd seen this week. Maybe the worst since the great pressure cooker eruption of 1999. Grease, sauce, noodles. A pasta-related incident too graphic to show. We were called in at 0800 hours.
Dinner served!
You ruined my dinner!
Looks like this spaghetti didn't make it out alive. You got that? We brought the victim in for questioning.
I told them I would clean it yesterday, but then Netflix happened, and snacks, and depression.
Meanwhile, back at the scene of the crime, found this under the sink, never used. Do you know what's really criminal? Not liking this video, not subscribing, not ringing the bell for notifications. That's the real crime.
Wait, what?
You getting all that down? Because justice starts with you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to FAQs. My name is Christopher Joyce, and today we're tackling chaos with the SIF cleaner. And I'm your chosen SIF champion for this sparkling journey, so let's clean like we mean it. So let me tell you about this SIF cleaner. It's an all-purpose cream cleanser with SmartCrystal technology. The SIF cleanser contains millions and millions of these little cleaning crystals that work together to lift stubborn dirt, grime, soap scum, you name it. Let's get cleaning. Put some of that SIF down. Take a scrub mommy or a scrub daddy and start to clean away, allowing that SIF cleanser to remove all the dirt, the grime, the grease, you name it. It's doing that job because the SmartCrystals are just taking care of the stubborn messes that are on here. Just cleaning away, no problem at all. Or you can also use your scrub daddy, and that's gonna take care of everything as well, along with the SIF cleanser that's breaking down all those messes on the countertop. So even in the pan, that SmartCrystal technology does a fantastic job of breaking things down that are stuck on, really messy, greasy, stubborn. The SIF cleanser is gonna take care of it for you. So here you see I'm using it on a non-stick coated pan, no problem at all for the SIF cleanser. It's also safe to use on chrome, gold, brass, enamel, marble, ceramic, stainless steel, polished wood, granite, marble, glass, non-stick cookware, fiberglass, plastic, copper, and aluminum, but do not use on textiles or linoleum. You can use it in your kitchen, your bathroom. Mirrors fogged, sinks crusted, toilet looks like it's been through a storm. Same cleaner, same level of clean. Let's show you how the SIF works and get rid of this messy crime scene. Toothpaste trauma, the mirror never stood a chance. I haven't seen tiles this crusty since the Great Grout incident of 2007. Who did this to the toilet? I've seen less destruction and demolition footage. It's not just about cleaning, it's about justice. Bathroom justice. This stuff cleans everything. So what I love about the SIF cleanser, to use it, you simply pop the top, no problem at all, and it smells really fresh and clean. It's not overpowering, which is nice. It just gives you kind of a fresh scent to work with. But I love the fact that it is really taking care of the burned on messes on the top of this stovetop, taking care of the stuff that's been encrusted here on the countertops and in the sink. No problem at all, giving you a fresh way to clean. And then I'm gonna take a cloth and I'm gonna finish cleaning up this mess after we use that Cif cleanser. I love the way it smells. It's fresh and clean. It's not overpowering. But as you can see, the Cif cleanser did an incredible job of breaking down all the spaghetti sauce, the grease, and the grime. And then your job is done and it smells great. So what I love is I'm using this on a cabinet, no problem at all, little Cif cleanser. You're gonna find yourself using it on all sorts of surfaces all around the house. Your job is done. And just like that, Cif to the rescue. 2 scenes, 1 solution, the Scrub Daddy Cif all-purpose cleaning cream, because messes never stand a chance. If cleaning was a crime, I'd be doing 25 for life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cleaning crimes solved weekly, and drop a comment below if you've got cleaning questions, a mess that needs backup, or a messy confession to share. But most importantly, remember to clean with a smile.
Hey, what are you doing in my kitchen?
Oops, gotta go.
No, wait, clean my living room while you're at it.